everyone, it's Amber, and today I'm drawing a contest entry for Zoe Marriner 1000 subscribers contest. Her contest theme is to draw one of her OC corresponding with the season, and the OC I choose to draw is Loki Padlock, and I have to draw a season autumn with her. So in this drawing, Loki is sitting on a pile of leaves while she's drawing some leaves for her pet Locket to catch them. I think that's quite cute. I've never seen a pile of leaves, or I've never really experienced autumn before, because in my country we don't have fall season because the trees stay green the whole year, and I guess we only have hot weather and rainy weather. And I've been to abroad once, but when I was there it was not really a good autumn because leaves just turn yellow and then they fall down on the ground. They just rotten and become muddy, so I cannot pile it up and sit on it. But I really want to do I've always watched in those American movies where the children just play with the falling leaves. So yeah, I guess that's why I just draw Loki like this, because I would want to do that but I can't, so at least I can draw it right. And at the right side of the drawing, you will see Loki boyfriend Elijah was peeping from behind the tree at Loki. So I just want to add Elijah to this drawing, and I think this way it just look kind of cute. He's been watching Loki, but then Loki did not notice him, so maybe he's thinking how he would pop up and surprise Loki. I use color pencil for most of the drawing, but for the background I try to use a soft pastel. I want to make a kind of forest but then with a blurred trees, and I think it come out better than I thought, but it's still very new to me. I haven't used soft pastel for a lot of drawing, so I guess I need some more practice. I guess that's about it. Thank you everyone for watching, and good luck for everyone who's entering this contest. Okay, bye everyone, have a nice day.